Welcome to the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, one of Kyoto's most enchanting and tranquil destinations. Imagine stepping into a world where towering green stalks of bamboo sway gently in the breeze, creating a mesmerizing and serene atmosphere. Ready to immerse yourself in this natural wonder? Let's go! As you enter the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, you will immediately feel a sense of calm. The bamboo shoots here can reach up to 30 meters, nearly 100 feet tall. Their sheer height creates a breathtaking canopy that filters sunlight into soft, dappled patterns on the ground. Did you know that bamboo is not a tree but a type of grass? Its rapid growth and strength make it a versatile plant used in everything from construction to cuisine. Take a leisurely stroll along the path that winds through the bamboo forests. The natural, soothing sound of the bamboo rustling in the wind creates a unique symphony that adds to the grove's magical atmosphere. This path has been carefully preserved to ensure that you can enjoy the beauty of the groves without disturbing its delicate ecosystem. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove has been a favorite spot for artists and photographers for centuries. It has even appeared in numerous films and TV shows, capturing the imaginations of people around the world. After exploring the Bamboo Grove, consider visiting the nearby Tenryuji Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its beautiful gardens and historical significance. The temple offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and is a perfect complement to your visit to the grove. Tenryuji Temple was originally built in 1339 and is famous for its stunning Zen gardens. The gardens were designed to reflect the natural beauty of the nearby bamboo grove and the serene mountains. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is a photographer's dream. The interplay of light and shadow among the bamboo creates perfect conditions for capturing beautiful and ethereal photos. Don't forget to snap a few pictures to remember this unique experience. The Bamboo Grove has inspired countless works of art and literature. One famous haiku by the Japanese poet Matsubasho reflects the grove's tranquil beauty. In the Bamboo Grove, the quiet stillness of the night is interrupted by a single bird call. Before you leave, stop by the local shops and cafes in the Arashiyama area. You will find a range of bamboo-themed souvenirs, such as handcrafted items and traditional Japanese goods. It is a great way to bring a piece of this magical place home to you. Bamboo has been used in Japanese culture for centuries, not just for building and crafts, but also in cuisine. Bamboo shoots are a popular ingredient in many Japanese dishes. As you exit the grove, take a moment to reflect on the serene beauty you've experienced. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing you to reconnect with nature and find tranquility in one of Kyoto's most beautiful natural settings. The grove is particularly stunning during different seasons. In spring, the fresh green of the bamboo is vibrant and lively, while in winter, the mist and snow create a mystical, serene landscape. Thank you for visiting the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Au revoir and keep exploring.